Well, we trapped another one last night around 3:30 and just got out here. Go ahead and take care of him. So as far as I only know, or so as far as I know, we only got one more that I'm tracking on camera out here. So we're gonna take care of him and get him hauled off.
I'm gonna get on that side, maybe he'll push to you. There you go. I don't see any sun. Yeah, that was a kill shot. That one right here. Really? You know, put them on the end and take a picture. I'll stand beside them.
Okay, everybody. Well, we done got him laid down. Got the gate set. Gonna see if there's anything else coming. So that's going to be all for this one. Y'all have a good day.